Premier is about a 40-year-old rental company that started out as just truck sales, selling used refuse equipment. We are based out of Cleveland, Ohio, and we cover 48 states. We're probably up to right around 750 trucks right now, and with probably 500 or 600 on order. And we usually keep them close to 12 to 18 months and then sell them and replace them with all brand new equipment. So all of our equipment is in 2021 or newer right now. Our wish list has about 585 on it for next year with T's, LRs, and GRs. When we started buying Max, we were dealing with TransEdge. We were buying 4 or 5 at a time, and it evolved into where we are now. And TransEdge is taking terrific care of us, set up a lot of stuff that went over and above what a normal truck dealer would do, and they've been absolutely fantastic. They're probably the best dealership that we work with, and I work with a lot of different dealerships and brands. TransEdge takes really good care of us.